Yellow. You want to be in my video?
I'm not fashioned it up or anything.
That's okay. This is my father.
Mr. Mechanical, that's what.
Oh. Coordinating.
And my shoes.
No, your socks look ugly. They're geeky. Bye. What's up? It's Kiara here. I'm going to be showing you guys how to pack your college. I'm going to be telling you guys how to pack your closet for college. I get so many questions about how to do this, what to bring, what sort of clothes are a yes or a no. So I'm going to be telling you guys what I brought to college. I'm about to be a junior in college, so I feel like I have some expertise behind me. I've got my good old clothing rack over here. If you saw my original how to pack for college video, you guys saw that this is what I use. I'm just going to be kind of vlogging and telling you what I'm bringing and why I'm bringing it. So let's get started. All right, the first thing I'm going to talk to you guys about is jackets. Now, I go to the University of Oregon, so it's obviously like really rainy and really drops down low in the winter time. Obviously, this is different based on where you go to school. Let me go show you what jackets I bring. All right, peeps, these are the types of jackets you need. Number one, a big puffy jacket that goes past your butt. This is so important. This one's from North Face. Really like it. Really keeps me warm in the winter time. Now, the other jacket that is similar style to this, but I actually don't have right now because I think it's packed away with all my school stuff, is the same sort of style jacket. It's a rain jacket material, so it's completely waterproof and again, goes past your butt. I'm telling you, jackets that go past your booty are gonna change your life. The next thing I have is a similar sort of thing, but I also have it in short version. Black Patagonia puffer jacket, wear this all the time. Has a hood, it's perfect for all the weather conditions, and it does pretty well in the rain, honestly. It's a good one, it's a trooper. Now, the next jacket is black North Face rain jacket. It's just a shell, so this is great because layering in college is so important. Some lectures are super hot and some lectures are just not. So we got this zip up sweatshirts going on. I just bring like 2 of these, you know, like one little pop of color, one kind of chill, go with everything. Okay, now you're gonna want to get stylish. I do 2 jean jackets. That's just because I really love my jean jackets, but I feel like you're really good with one. I have my like ripped jean jacket and then I have my cute thrifted jean jacket. I feel like jackets in college are just like a thing that's fantastic because it turns your basic clothes into an outfit. So I really go ham on these. I have my leather jacket right here because, you know, spicing things up. I have my black jean jacket, also goes with everything. The next thing to do is to start going through your main closet, which my main closet is over here. Most people ask me, they're like, okay, so like what do I bring for college? I don't really know. This is the mindset that I have going into it. Pack your dream closet. Everything that's your favorite, bring it because that's what you're actually going to end up wearing. Let me pull some examples. Okay, now I'm a girl who likes to stick with their basic colors, really comfortable stuff that's also just practical and basic because it goes with everything. So I have like a nice t-shirt, a fancier blouse right here. We got that kind of mega because we're repping. Here's like a really soft like brandy white long sleeves, just layery pieces. In college, it's all about comfort. If you wear it and you're gonna be comfortable and happy with it, then it's gonna be a winner. These long sleeve shirts from Brandy are really nice. I wear these all the time in college. They're just really cute with jeans. They're soft, they're comfortable. I can study in them, I can sleep in them. Ladies, if you're gonna be in a sorority, going through recruitment, so one thing that I'm gonna tell you that you need that other people may not need are dresses or like business casual clothes. Now, don't bring a lot of things, okay? I'm telling you to bring your basics. One cute pattern dress, nice slacky pants, white dress and black dress, perfect for chapters or any sorority initiation event, yada yada. For sorority stuff and for like going out looking cute, I really like skirts. Basic black skirt, a white skirt, and a jean skirt. Okay, now that's like the majority of your hanging clothes. Obviously, you're gonna wanna bring like your denim. You got your light wash, your medium wash, and your black denim. Like I said, don't go crazy with it. You're going like 1, 2, 3 pairs instead of all 10. Typically, like if I was actually packing for college, this whole thing would be filled up. And I don't even know if I explained why I use the clothing rack, but the clothing rack is basically to A, hang everything up so you can put trash bags over it if you're moving, and B, to kind of like eyeball the amount of space you have. My next tip for you guys, what do you do with all the stuff that doesn't make the cut and it's sitting over there in our closet? And this is where my favorite app right now comes in. Huge shout out to Poshmark. They're sponsoring today's video and I'm really excited to be working with them because I figured something out freshman year. I realized everything I didn't bring to college was stuff that I just really didn't need. I obviously lived without it for 9 months, so I needed to move on. And also the reason why I don't bring like a ton of crazy stuff to college is because when you're having a bad night and you just really want to pick me up, I'm telling you, you're gonna want want to go online shopping and you're going to want to order stuff to ship to yourself. In order to have money to do so, you're going to have to get rid of the old, bring in the new. So Poshmark is really cool because all you have to do is take a picture of your article of clothing. I just set up a store and went through tons of stuff in my closet. Here's like a picture of stuff on my store, like me scrolling through it. So you guys can feel free to go shop my store down below. And you can also download the Poshmark app for free by clicking the link in the bio. And I've already made $100 and I set up my store today. So we ballin'. I have my Birkenstocks on here that I legit wore like twice. I'm also selling the dress I wore for my sorority initiation and a dress I wore for my sorority formal, and they're both by BCBG. We also got this really cute romper on that site, and we got this nice Free People bomber jacket. Go shop my store and go support a broke college sister. Next order of business, let's do the real talk about t-shirts. So it's a really hard time to do this, but I'm telling you, you're gonna get a ton of free shirts. So pick like literally 3, maybe 4. Let's talk shoes. Okay, this is legit only applicable for if you're gonna be in a sorority. You probably want some heels. 1 pair of black heels and 1 pair of tan heels and you'll be set. Shoe pair number 2, comfy tennis shoes that are not crazy athletic but can go with outfits. So these are my Adidas tennis shoes. They look like this. These have like the memory foam in it. Shoe pair number 3, athletic tennis shoes, because you're trying to work out, you're trying to keep off that freshman 15 or sorority 40. Okay, a pair of sandals. Honestly, I rarely wear sandals in college. That might be because I go to school that rains maybe more than half the year. I feel like I might be repeating myself, but seriously, bring basics of items. I own my maroon Converse, but am I ever gonna wear them? Probably not. I get this question all the time. You go to University of Oregon, Kiara, like what shoes do you wear because your feet get wet? I literally don't like wearing rain boots. First of all, they're not comfortable. Second of all, you look kind of like a dork. So the solution to my rain boots thing, because I do think you need like 1 pair of rain boots, because yeah, it does suck when your feet get soaked. These puppies right here, these are by Sam Edelman. They are little rain boots, but look guys, they look like cute little stylish boots. These are great. You can also even try to find these on Poshmark. The other thing I do is I bring probably like 4 or 5 pairs of Nike tennis shoes at U of O, because shoes will get soaked. You might have to swap out your shoes in the middle of the day. It happens. I also try to buy shoes that are not like fly knit material, because that soaks through really easily. I'll try to buy something a little bit more hefty. If you go to California, definitely don't do this, but like if you go to a school where it gets cold, you might want to consider bringing Uggs. I can't even believe I'm saying this, but I have them because these are like my slippers. I never wear them out in public unless I'm going to like 7-Eleven at midnight. I do wear them all the time, and especially like around the dorm and around the sorority house, you're not like allowed to be barefoot. My last suggestion for the shoe realm are a pair of boots. Preferably they're gonna be from like a cheap place. I like H&M, Forever 21. These aren't gonna be like the most comfortable boots in your entire life, but they're booties. They have like a little bit of heel to give you that height that you want, and I can literally trash these shoes and it doesn't matter, because I think I've had these for 4 years and I paid $25. So get yourself some cheap shoes that you can thrash. How could I have forgotten literally the most important style thing you need? Athletic clothes. Now I'm gonna give this suggestion to you because again, this is my university experience. At U of O, people wear a lot of athletic clothes. I was talking to my friend Keegan, who goes to Arizona State, and she's like, Kiara, like no one wears athletic clothes unless you're gonna work out. This may be different at your university, but at mine, like people go ham in their athletic clothes, and I love athletic clothes. I bring 2 pairs of spandex. I bring a light pair and a dark pair. These are great to go under skirts and dresses. You're living an active life in college. You're not trying to flash anyone. Workout tanks. Obviously, you're gonna need some black leggings. These are my new fave. They're joggers, and they have changed my life. They're really flowy, they're super chill, they're very comfortable. These are by the Carrie Underwood brand, Kalia. I bring shorts because I just like to hang out in my dorm room in shorts. And when you work out, you're probably gonna wanna wear shorts. Sweatshirts, sweatpants, the whole comfy thing. Honestly, most of the time in college, you're probably gonna be wearing this stuff. Sweatshirts take up a lot of room, so you have to be a little bit selective. I have my one like state sweatshirt for high school ski racing, and I love that, and it's like close to my heart. But honestly, you're in college now. You've moved on. Your high school successes aren't really that meaningful anymore, not to just like break your heart. I like to bring other sweatshirts that spark up a conversation, like this nice little friend sweatshirt. You can maybe meet a friend while wearing this. Now here's another sweatshirt. This one is a little bit more of a dressy sweatshirt. It's from Aritzia. It's got like a little bit of a nicer vibe. I also just am a big fan of the neutral sweatshirts. This one's from Brandy. Thing thing number 2 that I brought to college freshman year and I never ever used, cardigans. They're really bulky, they take up a ton of space. Okay, they're soft and warm, but you know what's also soft and warm? A sweatshirt, and it's way easier and you don't even have to find a shirt to go underneath. The only other thing that I'm like, yeah, you should bring some crop tops. It's gonna be these moments in your college experience where you're gonna be really tired of looking like a hobo. That's when you pull out your handy dandy crop top and you're like, whoa, I actually tried and put on an outfit. They're not gonna take up a lot of space, so if you have like a couple of your favorites, that's definitely something you can like squeeze in. I hope this video was in some way helpful. Also, a huge shout out to Poshmark for sponsoring this video. You guys can again download the Poshmark app for free in the description box, and if you have your own Poshmark store, I want to check your store out. Maybe other people on this channel can too, so leave your username down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you want more college videos. Maybe this year I will literally pack up with you guys by my side. It would be so fun to do that with you guys. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go put my fake closet all away because I don't go to college for another month.